In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Salesforce using the Lightning extension feature. If you spend a lot of time in Salesforce like I do, you know that staring at a bright screen all day can be pretty straining on the eyes. Switching to a darker theme not only looks sleek, but can also help reduce eye fatigue, especially during those late-night work sessions. So, let's get started on transforming your workspace. First, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account and are on the home page. It's the main hub where all your tools and insights come together. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll find a gear icon, which is your gateway to various settings. Click on this gear icon. It might be easy to overlook, but this tiny symbol holds the key to a myriad of customizations, including enabling dark mode. Once you click the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you need to click on the Setup option. Setup is the place where you can control almost every aspect of Salesforce, from user management to automation. Now, with the Setup page open, find your way to the search bar located at the top left corner. This is a particularly useful tool in Salesforce, as it helps you quickly find what you're looking for amidst a vast range of options and settings. In this search bar, type Lightning extension. As you type, Salesforce will usually start suggesting as-you-type results. Click on the Lightning extension from the list of suggestions. This feature of Salesforce is what will allow us to turn on the dark mode. It's essentially a customizable extension within Salesforce itself that enhances user experience. When you're in the Lightning extension settings, you'll see a variety of options that you can toggle to improve your workflow. Here, what we're interested in is enabling the dark mode. You should see an option to toggle the dark mode on or off. Go ahead and toggle this to activate dark mode. As soon as you do this, you should notice the interface of Salesforce transforming into a darker theme immediately. This new theme makes viewing much easier on the eyes and also provides a modern feel to your workspace. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully enabled dark mode on Salesforce, giving your screen a refreshing new look while also making it more comfortable for prolonged use. Remember, you can always switch back by following the same steps and toggling the dark mode off if you ever feel the need to return to the classic view. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your Salesforce experience a little more enjoyable.